Okay, guys, just want to go over your day one math. Most of you I've talked with on the phone about your day one math. You know, these is just, all of these right here are just review. This is your area. The way you figure your area is you count them and write the number in it as you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each box is an area of 1 square unit, so your area is 6 square units. It works the same for this, but they have given you the unit of centimeters. So make sure when you record your answer, you record it as 24 square centimeters or 24 centimeters squared. You could also show this as multiplication with 6 times 4. 6 by 4. All right, so let's look at 15. This is the one that I talked with all of you about on the phone. Anna counted the units of this rectangle. She said that the area of the rectangle is 12 square units, and we underline square units. What did Anna do wrong? Now, I have made them squares because she had rectangles all through here, but Miss Liz made them squares by drawing a line right down in the middle of that rectangle. So she didn't have 12 square units, she had 24 square units. So her units are not squares. That was the answer. The actual area would be 24 square units now. Now let's look at number 16. Myra says that the squares here and here have the same area. Carlton says that the squares have different areas. Who is correct? Now, if you pick this square up and sit it directly on top of this, you will see they are both the same. Now, this square was divided into smaller units. This one was larger units, but you can see Miss Liz connected those dots and made them exactly the same. So now you can see they are the same, okay? All right, so they have different units they are measuring with. This one was a smaller unit, this one was a larger unit. So the first one is a smaller unit, the second one is the larger unit. They'll have the same total area though, so Mira was correct. All right, and then on the back of this page, right here, I drew a non-example as well as an example here because they ask you to draw a rectangle with an area of 8 square centimeters. So I drew this rectangle and put my measurement inside of the block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would be 8 square centimeters. And this would not be correct because it is not a rectangle. It is not a rectangle, so that would not be correct. It did ask you to draw a rectangle. So that would be a non-example that I did as well. So this one, part B, said draw another rectangle with an area greater than 8 square centimeters. It could be any shape, any size of a rectangle, as long as it is a rectangle polygon. So this one had 12, this one had 18. As long as it's a rectangle, you can fix it on this page in any way. So part C said, how did you know how to draw a rectangle with an area that is greater than 8 square centimeters? It just needs to be larger than the first one. So this one was 8, this one needs to be 12, this one was 18, as long as it was greater than 8. Thank you.